How to use だけあって precisely because or as expected of.
いやー、プライベートビーチなだけあって綺麗だな。こんなに自然が残されている海辺は貴重かもしれないぞ。
だけあって is used to express that something is exactly as expected because of its inherent quality, status, or background. It's often used to praise or justify a certain outcome. And this is actually a short version of だけのことはあって. So だけのことはあって is just shortened to だけあって. You can use it following verbs and e adjectives, but when you use it with na adjectives, make sure to follow it with na or であるだけあって. And with nouns, you can see it used by itself, or more commonly used as noun na or noun であるだけあって. For example, like here, as expected from a private beach, プライベートビーチなだけあって. It sure is pretty.
いやー、プライベートビーチなだけあって綺麗だな。
Or like here in Tales of Arise, precisely because it's gathering fire astral energy, it's unbearably hot.
火の精霊力を集めてるだけあってひどいやつだね。
そんなにひどいのか。
Or like here in Dragon Ball with Vegeta saying that it's precisely because Gohan has Saiyan blood, Saiyajin no chi o hiiteru dake atte. His power level has increased a lot since he's recovered.
サイヤ人の血を引いてるだけあって復活したら戦闘力がぐんとアップしやがった。よーし、ほんのわずかだけ運が向いてきやがったかな。
It's also often used paired with sasuga, which also means as expected. This adds additional emphasis. Like here, as expected of the prince. Sasuga, oji dake atte.
なんか旧7組絡みでいろいろあるみたいだけど、さすがは帝国の王子様だけあって気取った人みたいね。
And you can also use this at the end of a sentence with dake aru. So like here in Street Fighter V, as expected of your truly illustrious career. So something is exactly as expected because of its inherent quality.
とどめだ。
さすが空軍注意。華々しい経歴をお持ちなだけあるわね。
Next, we have two testing sections to help reinforce the language in your mind. The first stage will test your understanding of the English meaning of the grammar, with the second stage testing your Japanese understanding. While this is quite simple as there's only one grammar point to focus on, this will still help you familiarize with how the grammar is used in the sentence, reinforce the meaning, and even give you a chance to visualize using it yourself with the help of the example sentences. Try reading the answer out loud to yourself before the timer runs out to help reinforce the grammar use in your head, as well as give you a little bit of Japanese listening practice. Good luck and have fun. Dake atte, precisely because, as expected of.
だけあって。プライベートビーチなだけあって。
いやー、プライベートビーチなだけあって綺麗だな。
集めてるだけあってひどい暑さね。火の精霊力を集めてるだけあってひどいやつだね。
そんなにひどいのか。
サイヤ人の血を引いてるだけあって。
サイヤ人の血を引いてるだけあって復活したら戦闘力がぐんとアップしやがった。
As expected of a private beach.
いやー、プライベートビーチなだけあって綺麗だな。
Precisely because, since it's gathering, it's unbearably hot.
火の精霊力を集めてるだけあってひどいやつだね。
そんなにひどいのか。
As expected of someone with Saiyan blood.
サイヤ人の血を引いてるだけあって復活したら戦闘力がぐんとアップしやがった。
Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you get more familiar with this grammar point. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment letting me know what you think about the video. If there's any particular pieces of Japanese you'd like to see covered on this channel, let me know in the comment section. An enormous shout out to the supporters of the channel. I absolutely would not be able to make these videos without you guys, so thank you so much. If you'd like to support the channel as well as join the Game Go Discord, then feel free to join as a member either through the Game Go website or through Patreon. Not only can you help support the channel, but you can also get help with your Japanese any time of the day, hang out and chat. People often stream in the Discord learning Japanese together, and you can even vote on upcoming videos. Thank you so much to everyone who supports the channel, whether as a member or simply by liking and watching the video. Thanks so much guys, I hope you're enjoying learning Japanese, and as always, I'll see you all again in the next video. See ya.